everyone, I am Sana Sardenia and today I will be discussing Chapter 7, Quality Management in HR Project. In this presentation, I will answer the guide questions and explain how quality management helps improve HR project. Question number 1. What is quality management and why is it important in HR project? Quality management is about making sure that all HR activities are done properly and meet the expected standards. In simple words, it ensures na maayos, effective at kapaki-pakinabang ang mga ginagawa sa HR like hiring, training, and employee programs. It is important because it helps avoid mistakes, improve results, and keep employees satisfied. For example, if an HR team conducts a training program, quality management ensures that the training is helpful, organized, and useful for employees. Kapag mataas ang quality, mas nagiging successful ang project at mas nagiging productive ang organization. Question number 2. Difference between quality planning, quality assurance, and quality control. There are three main parts of quality management. First is quality planning. This is where you decide kung ano ang standards and goals ng project. Parang plano kung paano magiging maayos ang outcome. Second is quality assurance. This focuses on making sure na sinusunod ang tamang process habang ginagawa ang project. It prevents problems before they happen. Third is quality control. This checks the final output kung pasado ba ito sa standard. So, basically, planning is for setting standards, assurance is for following the process, and control is for checking the results. They all work together para masigurong successful ang project. Question number 3. How does quality management help employee satisfactions and organizational success? Quality management helps employees feel satisfied because they receive better services from HR. For example, if the hiring process is smooth and fair, employees feel valued and respected. Kapag masaya ang employees, mas motivated silang magtrabaho. This lead to better performance and success of the organizations. Another example is training programs. If trainings are well planned and useful, employees improve their skills. And when employees grow, the whole company is also growing. So, quality management benefits both employees and the organization. Question number 4. Tools and techniques to measure quality in HR projects. There are different tools used to measure quality. One example is survey or feedback forms. These help HR understand kung satisfied ba ang employees. Another is performance metrics like attendance, productivity, or completion rate. These help measure if the HR project is effective or not. Also, HR can use checklists and evaluations to make sure all standards are followed. These tools are important because they help identify problems and improve results. Mas nagiging accurate at reliable ang decision ng HR. Question number 5. The PDCA cycle or Plan, Do, Check, Act. The PDCA cycle is used for continuous improvement. First is plan, gumagawa ng plano or solution. Second is do, implement the plan. Third is check, evaluate the results. Fourth is act, improve based on the result. Then, the cycle repeat for continuous improvement. For example, in an HR training program, plan the training, do the training, check feedback from employees, and act by improving the next training sessions. These cycles helps make HR project better over time. To summarize, quality management is very important in HR project because it ensures effectiveness, improves employee satisfactions, and leads to organizational success. It includes planning, checking processes, and improving continuously. With proper quality management, HR project become more successful and meaningful. And that's all for my presentations. Thank you for listening.
I just had to let you know you're